Hey everyone, today I'm comparing two of the biggest dropshipping platforms out there, Zendrop and AutoDS, and walking through how they work, how they're different, and which one might be the better fit depending on the kind of store you're trying to build. Because even though both platforms are built to simplify your operations and automate fulfillment, they take very different paths to get there. One leans heavily into automation and massive product volume, while the other is about control, speed, and building a brand that actually feels reliable. Now, starting with Zendrop, and this doesn't just connect you to random suppliers, it was designed by actual dropshippers to fix some of the classic issues: slow shipping, sketchy product quality, or just trying to get in touch with someone when something goes wrong. Instead of sorting through endless AliExpress listings, you get a curated catalog of over 1 million products from suppliers Zendrop works with directly. And because they run their own fulfillment network, you're not relying on third-party retailers to deliver your orders. That means better quality control, faster shipping, and fewer support tickets. Now, AutoDS takes a different route. It's geared more toward higher volume sellers and people doing product arbitrage across platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. You can access over 500 million products from major retail sites, and everything is set up to help you test products fast across multiple stores. There's a product research hub, bulk import tools, even a TikTok spy tool that shows you what's trending right now. So if you're focused on speed and volume, this kind of setup can definitely work in your favor. Now, as far as workflow, Zendrop is pretty easy to get started with. You connect your Shopify store, import products with one click, and once a customer places an order, the rest is handled automatically, as long as you're on a paid plan. That includes everything from sourcing and shipping to real-time tracking updates. And if you want to add a personal touch, you can include branded thank you cards or custom packaging to make your store feel more professional. AutoDS works similarly, but the process is a bit more behind the scenes. Fulfillment runs through their Fulfilled by AutoDS system, where they place an order for you using their own buyer accounts on sites like Amazon or Walmart. Everything syncs and tracks automatically, which definitely saves time, but it also means you don't have much say in how things are packaged or when they arrive. If your goal is scaling rather than polish, that's usually not a problem. And Zendrop and AutoDS price out differently as well. Zendrop offers 3 pricing tiers. The free plan gives you access to their 1 million product catalog and 24/7 support, but you'll still have to fill orders manually. The pro plan runs $49 a month and includes unlimited fulfillment, unlimited orders, access to US products, and custom branded options. Then there's the plus plan at $79 a month, which adds access to Zendrop Academy, curated trending products, chargeback management, and private listings. It's a solid setup if you're focused on growth and want help really fine-tuning your store. AutoDS doesn't have any kind of free option. The base plan starts around $27 a month for 200 imports, but if you want extras like automatic fulfillment, you'll need to upgrade your plan and pay for add-ons. They also charge a 3% transaction fee depending on your payment method, and you'll need to preload funds into your account before any orders can be placed. So the cost can jump up quickly depending on how you're set up. And hey, if you're thinking about giving Zendrop a try, there's an affiliate link in the description and down in the comment section. And we usually have special deals there that you won't find if you go straight to their website, so feel free to check it out. Now, when it comes to sourcing, this is where the two really start to split. Zendrop only works with vetted suppliers, and you can even request products by submitting an AliExpress link. Once it's in their system, they'll handle the rest. And since they manage fulfillment directly, they can offer much faster US shipping, usually 2 to 5 days. That's a huge deal if you're trying to cut down on refund requests or just deliver a better overall experience for your customers. AutoDS, on the other hand, gives you way more selection. You can source from hundreds of retail suppliers using built-in research tools to find trending items, and even bulk import across multiple stores. So you've got the flexibility to test fast-moving products and chase trends. Just keep in mind, you're working with external sellers, so shipping times and consistency are going to vary a lot more. Now, on the fulfillment side, Zendrop takes care of everything for Pro and Plus users. Orders sync automatically, tracking updates in real time, and you can add branded packaging for a more polished feel. They also let you bundle products or create subscription boxes, which can really boost your average order value and help build a repeat customer base. If you're trying to make something long-term and stable, those features really add up. AutoDS also automates fulfillment, but it does it through third-party retail sites. So while it definitely saves time, you can't get customized packaging or guarantee fast shipping. That said, it does include more platforms than Zendrop: eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, Wix, even WooCommerce. So if you're selling on more than Shopify, AutoDS might make more sense. But where Zendrop really shines is branding. The thank you cards, the custom packaging, the private labeling if you hit the order minimums. So if you're trying to build something that feels more like a real brand, Zendrop gives you those tools without needing your own warehouse or fulfillment team, and that can make a big difference when it comes to building trust and keeping customers longer. Now, both platforms offer 24/7 support. Zendrop gives its Plus users access to Zendrop Academy, which is a full video course with tips for setting up and scaling your store. AutoDS has its own academy too, with tutorials, mentorship options, and a Shopify-specific AI store builder that can preload winning products and help you launch a store automatically. So whichever platform you go with, you won't be left figuring things out on your own. So overall, AutoDS is really built for sellers who want to move fast, test across platforms, and automate as much as they can. You won't get much control over packaging or fulfillment speed, but for high volume selling, that trade-off can absolutely be worth it. Whereas Zendrop is ideal if you care more about presentation and customer satisfaction. You get faster fulfillment, vetted suppliers, and tools to personalize your packaging, so your store looks and feels more like a real brand from day one. And if Zendrop sounds like it might be a fit for your store, check out that link in the description. Like I mentioned earlier, we usually have these special offers on our affiliate links that you won't see if you go straight to the company's main websites. If you found this helpful, I really would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments. I love getting to answer as many of them as I can and help you out. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.